Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Bitcoin report for Monday, June 6th. And starting with Bitcoin on the daily chart here, we're looking at wave 1 up here with an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave here. The C wave, we're looking for 5 waves, so we can look for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're looking down for one more move to the downside and then a move to the upside. If I'm wrong about this, then we simply need to be long above that high, okay? And then we'll call that wave 2 in over here for that. Looking at this in a little bit more detail, let's go to the 100 ticks on the intraday and pull this apart. Maybe that will be enough at this point, maybe not, maybe get some more. Let's go full hog and let's just pull this apart here. So we've been looking for wave 3 with an A and a B and a C wave up there. We counted 5 waves up there for wave 4, and from wave 4 we're looking for 5 waves down for wave 5 in this space here for wave 2. Okay, so from the top here, if we can just rearrange this a little bit, we've got wave 1 and 2 here and 3 here, and when we spoke last time we were looking for 4 and 5, so we've got that. So we've got wave 1 here. Now we're looking for an ABC to go back up into the box here at 3110 roughly. Once that's completed, we'll be looking for 5 waves down for wave 3 here, and wave 4 and wave 5 to go down to finish off that sequence. Now this, as I've mentioned before, we've been lining these up with tech stocks because Wall Street think that Bitcoin is a tech stock, and that's okay for the time being. Realization takes a while. So some people are clever but not very smart. So in this move, first of all, if this is wrong, we need to always know when we're wrong. We need to be long at that point because we'd be in a bullish move at that point. Secondly, this move coming down here, if we look at the NASDAQ, which I've been comparing things to, we've been looking at the NASDAQ as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got that high in, and now we're looking for the ABC. And as I mentioned before, when this is moving down here for this wave 2 here, then we're also looking for this to be on the negative side here to complete this ABC pattern here. Now when we look at the ETH cross, we know that Bitcoin is stronger than ETH, so ETH will be pulling further down. But also, just to carry on from the NASDAQ a little bit, with the NASDAQ here we can look at the tech stocks like Amazon, and we've been counting up in 5 waves, 3, 4, 5, and we'll look for an ABC pattern. So once this is completed here, then we'll see Bitcoin go with that. And the other tech stocks are the same as well. We can look at them till the cows come home. So Alphabet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an A and a B and a C, and so on. We're also looking at the bearish side as well. It's all about the trade setup rather than being wrong or right. The aim is to make money, not to cry over spilt milk. So it's all about the trade setup for either direction. So that's it in a bit of a nutshell. When we talk about Ethereum, same as well, wave 3 here, and well, in this case a W, X and Y. We could go an AB, we could do it some other way, it doesn't really matter, but we can see that it's pulled down deeper here. So in this particular instance here, we can see 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We don't need that, so move that. So 3, 4, 5, nice third wave here, so identifies the 4th and the 5th, and now we're looking for an ABC back up to the 50-60%. You have to check that, check that, but we want to be long above here if that's the case. But we'll look for a classic trading levels pattern on the 2000. We don't have to just buy that high there. We'll look for a pattern like this, and we'll buy the pullback here if that's the 2000 across here. It's always pretty much something like this. Is only really I just sort of narrow it down to 3 patterns at a particular price level point. So anyway, we'll get to that when we get to that, but otherwise 3, 4, 5 coming down into this space. And as I mentioned, ETH is on the weaker side of of the crypto space at the moment. That can change, you know, it all changes. And also just the crypto index here, the top 10 that we've been following as well. So it kind of takes a little bit more of a balanced sort of view, but we can clearly see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So we should have a correction and then 3, 4, 5 to finish off, and that will be the end of it. So this finishing off pretty much within a day or so of this NASDAQ finishing its business down here as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Much appreciated. Cheers.